Everyone thinks the best-selling CNC router is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Tutre's TTC Pro CNC Router. Let's kick things off with the Tutre's TTC Pro. Priced at $545, this machine caught my attention with its all-metal construction and that sleek red and black design. If you want high precision and the ability to handle various materials, this is worth a serious look. This router features a 3.5-inch capacitive touchscreen, making it super intuitive to operate. The standout feature here is its high-precision Z-axis, which has a positioning accuracy of up to 0.0025. This means if you're carving intricate designs or working on multi-layer projects, you can trust it to deliver exceptional results. Plus, it can handle an expansive working area of 460 x 460 x 80, which is fantastic for furniture, panels, and signage. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The open-source GRBL control system means it's compatible with popular design software like Fusion 360 and Easel. That makes transitioning from idea to execution smoother than ever. It's got solid ratings from 245 reviews, boasting a 4.4-star rating, which speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, if you can watch a YouTube tutorial or don't mind a little challenge, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a serious hobbyist or someone looking to step up your woodworking game. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to dabble with casually. For the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the assembly issue seemed off-putting, the next product might actually be even better for those who want an easier setup. Product number 2, TTC 3018 Pro CNC Router. Next up is the TTC 3018 Pro CNC Router, priced at just $209.99. This model grabbed my attention with its compact size and impressive features for a beginner-friendly machine. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank but still delivers quality, this is worth a serious look. The working area measures 300 x 180 x 40, which is perfect for small projects like personalized nameplates or prototypes. Plus, it has built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi for wireless file transfer, making it super convenient. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Being lightweight at just 15 pounds, it's easy to fit into any workspace without taking up too much room. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 245 reviews, it's clear this model is popular. Some users noted that the assembly can take a bit longer than expected, but honestly, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a reliable machine for classroom settings. Skip this one if you need a larger working area or more advanced features. For the price, it offers great value and is a smart investment for newcomers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something even more user-friendly. Product number 3, Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit. Coming in at $162.45, we have the Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit. This caught my eye for its affordability and ease of assembly, making it a popular choice for beginners. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's still capable, this is worth a serious look. This model has a working area of 300 x 180 x 45 and is capable of carving through a range of materials, including wood and soft aluminum. Its upgraded power adapter supports a spindle speed of 20,000 RPM right out of the box, which is impressive for this price point. Plus, it comes with GRBL control software, ensuring you have access to a reliable and well-supported platform. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fact that all components are pre-aligned means you won't struggle with setup, making it ideal for those who aren't too tech-savvy. With a rating of 4 stars from nearly 1,900 reviews, it's clear that this machine has gained popularity. However, some users mention that it lacks advanced features found in pricier models. But honestly, if you're just starting out or need it for simple projects, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist wanting to explore CNC machining without a significant investment. Skip this one if you expect heavy-duty performance or a larger working area. For its cost, it's definitely a solid entry-level choice. Now, if you're looking for a machine with even more functionality, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Sane Smart Genmitsu 3018 Pro Ver V2. Next up is the Sane Smart Genmitsu 3018 Pro Ver V2, priced at $242.10. This model is particularly appealing because it's designed specifically for beginners. If you want something straightforward that still packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. The Pro Ver V2 comes with pre-assembled main parts, which means you can get started in no time. With clear cable management and built-in limit switches, it's designed to be user-friendly and safe. The supported software such as Carvico and Fusion 360 makes it easy to turn your designs into reality. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a great entry point to CNC machining, opening doors to endless possibilities from personal projects to small business ventures. Some users mention that it lacks an offline controller, which can be a bit of a hassle. But look, if you're primarily using it connected to a computer, this shouldn't be a big issue. This is perfect for you if you're new to CNC and want a machine that's ready to go out of the box. Skip this one if you specifically need offline operation. For what it offers, the value is impressive. Now, if you want a more robust machine for larger projects, the final product on our list has you covered. Product number 5, Foxalion Masuder Pro CNC Router. Finally, we have the Foxalion Masuder Pro, which retails for $549. This one stands out with its all-metal structure and enhanced stability, making it ideal for those looking to create detailed engravings. If you want a solid machine that can handle a range of materials with ease, this is worth a serious look. The upgraded dust-proof controller is a thoughtful touch, ensuring easy operation and safety with its emergency stop feature. It also supports various spindles, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for your needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The quick assembly thanks to pre-wired components makes it super friendly for hobbyists. Plus, the large engraving surface allows for versatility in woodworking applications. However, some users reported that it might be overkill for smaller projects or beginners. Honestly, if you're just starting out, this might feel a bit too advanced. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable machine that can grow with your woodworking skills. Skip this one if you're just testing the waters in CNC machining. For its quality and features, it offers good value for serious creators. To wrap it all up, we've covered a range of CNC routers today, from the affordable Genmitsu 3018 Pro router kit to the robust Foxalion Masuder Pro. Each one has its unique strengths, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. So think about what you need most in your woodworking projects and choose the one that fits your style. Happy crafting!